Hey Keith, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to send over this quick screencast, kind of giving you guys a quick website audit. We're going to look at some high volume search terms that I think you guys could gain a lot of potential clients from. We'll look at what your competition looks like for those keywords and go from there. So looking at your guys' website, it is a well-built site. I definitely like the layout you guys have. Video is great, converts very well, so fantastic for you guys for having that up there. Couple recommendations I do have for you guys is you don't have any click-to-call buttons at all on this homepage. People are doing mobile searches oftentimes these days, so having those click-to-call buttons on there are very important just because it allows them to get a hold of you guys a lot easier. My other recommendation would be content. There was a recent study done by Google where they tallied up over 1 million different websites across multiple niches and looked at all the top ranked. And they found that at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is really key to get into that top spot for different search terms. So I would definitely recommend beefing up the amount of content you guys have on this homepage. For Google rankings, you guys are the top ranked for roofing in Orange Park, Florida. So, you know, that's awesome. You guys are getting some traffic from that. One thing I did find though is that for roofing in Jacksonville, Florida, which is just a short 25-minute drive away from you guys, there's 700 searches per month for that, whereas you're only getting about 80 for roofing in Orange Park. So I definitely think there's a lot of potential customers that you guys could get into if you were to start targeting that Jacksonville, Florida area as well. So looking at roofing in Jacksonville, just to give you a quick rundown. So this is people are paying Google to be in these top spots up here. There's not really a whole lot of benefit to it over organically ranking, so getting your business ranked to the top spot here. For that 700 search volume, being in that top spot, you can usually figure to be getting about 33% of that search volume. So over 200 people per month are going to be going to this top ranked site. With Home Advisor and Angie's List being on here, this is actually a good sign for me. Because Google really prefers to rank the small business owner over these national websites like Home Advisor and Angie's List. So getting into these top spots would definitely be a doable task for you guys. And then obviously you have the Google My Business, which you guys are, in that top 3 for Orange Park. But really making sure you're optimizing out your GMB with your description. So looking at this is your guys' GMB here. Really making sure you're optimizing out this description to where you're including that you guys are also offering services for roofing in Jacksonville, Florida, if that's something you guys are wanting to do. When people are searching that'll allow you guys to be pulled up for that search results as well. So for roofing in Jacksonville, Florida, you guys are ranked for that currently, but you're sitting at 88th, I believe is what it was. Looks like we got to go one more page here. So you guys are sitting right here at 88th for that, so there's definitely some room for improvement there. So getting you guys into that top spot, how do we do that? So looking at your guys' website, I use this tool called Ahrefs. I actually showed it with the search volumes also. This tool allows me to see a lot of different things. What we're looking for here is your guys' backlinks and referring domains. So the best way to describe backlinks is you have 2 different sites. So let's call the first one Site A, and let's say kind of referencing this to like a high school popularity contest. So let's say the most popular kid in school, or Site A, is linking himself to the least popular kid in school, or Site B. And in turn, what you're getting is what's called backlink juice from this most popular site coming to the least popular site. And in turn, it brings up the popularity of that least popular site in Google's eyes and helps bring it up in the rankings. So what you're looking for on these is do follow referring domains and do follow backlinks. So you guys currently have 217 do follow referring domains, and you have 541 do follow backlinks. While those are great metrics, what I'm seeing from this is these 2 numbers right here. This tells me this is the strength of the overall amount of backlinks you guys have, which you have a huge amount of backlinks, which is fantastic. This is your domain rating. So this is talking about the trust flow behind those backlinks that you guys actually have. So there's not a lot of trust behind the backlinks you have, and there's not a lot of relevancy to the roofing niche. Getting a backlink is great, but if it's relevant, it's even better. So having a backlink to a website that sells baby bottles isn't going to do you any good because it's not relevant to the roofing industry. So increasing the amount of relevant backlinks you have would really help bring this metrics up, and in turn even out these numbers, which would be fantastic for you guys in your rankings. Looking at your competition, Reliant Roofing is the top ranked for, we'll go back to page 1 real quick here. So looking at the top ranked organically behind Yelp and Yellow Pages, you have Reliant Roofing here sitting at 5th. So looking at their website, you know, they don't have a lot of content on here, so definitely you'll be able to pass them up content-wise if you're able to, you know, add some more to your guys' website. Looking at the back end of their site, they have, you know, right about 1,700 backlinks from 287 referring domains. 63 of those are do follow. And then the backlinks for do follow, they have right almost just short of 1,200. But what I'm seeing from this is that their domain rating is much higher than what you guys have because they have a little bit more relevancy to the backlinks they have currently going to their site. So, you know, it's not all based off of the number of backlinks you have. A big part of that is the relevancy behind those backlinks. So I think if you guys were to increase the amount of backlinks you guys do have that are relevant to the roofing niche, and you get some real, you know, juicy backlink or do follow backlinks in there, I think you guys would definitely be able to move up in the rankings for roofing in Jacksonville, Florida, and claim some of that 700 search volume going to your guys' site. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I look forward to hearing from you soon.